Hello everyone, good morning class. How are you all? Fine? Great. So now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So I hope you all are sitting in your proper school uniform because one or two students are not sharing their work in school uniform. The videos you are sharing is not in proper school uniform. So when you are sitting for your classes or you are doing any sort of video shoot, please do that in your proper school uniform. Not only your shirt, shorts or tunics, you have to wear your socks as well as shoes. And I know you all are not having iPads, it's okay, but the uniform should be properly ironed and it should look spick and span. Don't forget to wear your belts also. Clear? Girls should have a proper black hairband and boys, please trim your hair before, don't keep long hairs, I must say, and girls, if you are having long hairs, kindly tie them up. Okay, so now it's time to begin with our classes. So what is the date today? Can you see there is a change in the date pattern? Yes, earlier ma'am used to write 9 here, up 10 aa gaya. Why? Because from today the new month has begun and that is October month. क्लियर? अब कौन सा मंथ स्टार्ट हो गया है? अक्टूबर मंथ बिगिन हो गया है एंड टुडे इज द फर्स्ट डे, दैट इज 1st October 2020 and the day is Thursday. Yes, so it's time to begin with our today's English class. So class, now one good news for you all that this is the last alphabet, that is J we are doing, and after completing this alphabet we have completed all alphabets now. So now you all know the proper formation of each and every alphabet in your English alphabetical series. That is from A to Z. We have learned all the alphabets after completing this J. Clear? So let us begin with this alphabet and understand the sound as well as the formation of this alphabet. Let's begin. Great. So I have certain pictures here on board. Can you identify them? The first picture here is of a jug. Now when you are saying this, जब आप इसको बोल रहे हो, so जब बोलते हैं तो सुनना भी होता है. Now listen carefully when ma'am is saying. जब मैम बोल रही है jug, jug. क्लियर? आपको एक साउंड आ रही है कान में? कैन यू लिसन दैट साउंड इन योर ईयर? सो आई विल राइट द नेम हियर, जग. क्लियर? तो जब हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, विच साउंड इज क्लिकिंग यू? कौन सी साउंड आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक कर रही है ईयर में? ज, ज. जैम एंड जेली सेज ज, ज, j. You remember your phonic rhyme? Why I am asking you to revise your phonic rhyme every day? So that you are thorough with the alphabet and its correct sound. These two things should be clear to you, that what alphabet we are talking about and what is the correct sound of that alphabet. Clear? So when we are talking about alphabet J, J, jug. Then I just told you jam and jelly says j, j, j. So jam, what is a jam? Something that we use to something that we use as a spread on our toast or paratha, or you can say on a normal bread slice. So this is a jam bottle, a mixed fruit jam. So I'll write jam. Again when I am writing jam, क्या साउंड आ रही है? What sound is coming to you? j, j, jam, j, jug, j. Now tell me, what is this j? Joker. Yes. So you know who's a joker? You know, have you ever been to a circus? Have you ever been to a circus? There you will find a person who makes you laugh a lot. And they dress up themselves in a very funny look just to make you all laugh. So they are called joker. Again, when I am saying joker, what sound is coming out? Yes, tell me what sound is coming? J. See, when we are saying, जब हम कोई भी पिक्चर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is beginning with alphabet J. J, joker. Again J here for jam. Again J here for jug. So सबका beginning alphabet क्या है? J. So when we are saying these words, jug, joker, jam, what is this? Jellyfish. एक ये फिश होती है, जेलीफिश कहते हैं. Jellyfish. So this is a fish that swims in the water and we call it jellyfish. ये पता है कैसे swim करती है? ऐसे. ये जो इसके tentacles हैं, जो हमारी fingers हैं, इनको आप इसका tentacle समझो. ये ऐसे float करती है water में. So again J. So when we are talking about these things, जब हम इनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, when we are saying jug, jam, jelly, joker, तो स्टार्टिंग में बिगनिंग में सबका लेटर J है and the sound that beginning letter is giving is J. J, jug, j की साउंड सुनाई दे रही है आपको? Then we have J, jam, J, jellyfish, J, joker. Then we have J, jacket. See, one more word we have learned is jacket. Then anything else we have is juice. That is also from J. So juice. Then anything else that we can have from J is jeans. You all wear jeans, isn't it? So jeans is also from J. Now these are few things that begins with alphabet J. These are few things that begin with alphabet J, and when we are talking about them, the sound that comes is J. The sound that comes is J. Clear? Okay. Now moving towards the formation of alphabet, let us see how we are going to write this alphabet now. So this is your 4-line pattern here. Now let's see how to write. The first thing that you are going to do is make a sleeping line. So ये जो red line आपको दिख रही है, here we'll draw a sleeping line. Understood? Like this. From this point, from the center of that sleeping line, you will come down to the second blue line. ये देखो, ये हमारी second blue line है. Sleeping line के center से you will come down like this and go up. So this is how you will draw. I'll use a red pen today to write. See? So like this you will come down and you will go up. This is how you will write alphabet J. अब ये जो दो blue lines है ना, इनके सिर्फ center तक जाना है. Don't go and touch it anywhere. Clear? Again I am telling you, make a sleeping line. From the center of the sleeping line, come down and move like this. जैसे आप umbrella की stick बनाते हैं, when you draw an umbrella, you make the stick ऐसे curve करके. Similarly, you are going to do here. A sleeping line, come down and do it like this. Clear all how you are going to do the formation of alphabet J? And the sound of this alphabet is J. The sound is J. Jug, J, joker, J, jacket, J, jam, J, jelly. Now if you remember when we did alphabet Z, तो मैम ने आपको एक डिफरेंस बताया था, जिप नहीं बोलते जिप बोलते हैं. तो उसमें जो ज है उसके नीचे जब हम बिंदी लगाते हैं तो वो ज बन जाता है. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. जब हम J की बात करते हैं, J की साउंड होती है ज. बट अगर हम Z की बात करते हैं इसका साउंड होता है Z। अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस? इस बिंदी से साउंड चेंज होता है, यहाँ पे होता है ज, यहाँ होता है z। क्लियर? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस। नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स आवर टुडेज बुक वर्क। So today's book work to be done on page number 32 and 33. So book page number 32 and 33. So these two pages are your classwork. Clear everyone? And homework is to practice writing alphabet J in notebook. How you are going to do that? I'll show you. Okay class? So class, now I am going to teach you how to write alphabet J in notebook. Okay? So all of you open your notebook. So this is our 4 lines notebook, English notebook. The first thing that we'll do is to write today's date. So now see. So what is the date today? Can anyone tell me? Today is 1st October. Yes. So how we are going to do that? 1, 10. So why we have written 10? Because the 10th month has begun today. That is October month. Yes. And we'll write the date like this. Now after writing the date, what we'll do? We'll write HW here. Okay. So like this, I'm going to write HW. This is your homework. So we have written HW. Done. Now the next thing is we'll write alphabet J. So how we'll do that? Like this. Understood? First you will draw this sleeping line and then you will draw the standing line with a curve. Okay? This is how we draw alphabet J. Now can you tell me one picture that we would like to draw with alphabet J? Let's draw a jug. Okay. So see how you are going to do. First make a curve like this and then we'll join it from here to here. हम ऐसे curve बनाएंगे, a leaf shape you can say. Now make the body with the shape like this. And we'll join it like this. Okay? So like this we have drawn a pot. Now we'll make a base and we'll draw a handle here. Like this. Done? So now what we'll do? We'll write the word jug. J U G. Now can you tell me what is the mistake? Ma'am has crossed this red line. So what we'll do? We'll erase it like this and I'll write it again like this. Clear? Okay. Now moving towards the writing of your alphabet. How you will do? First a sleeping line. देखो इस तरह से we'll draw a sleeping line on the red line. We'll come down and up like this. Like this you will do your work slowly but carefully. Clear? Now many of you do it like this. ये ऐसे ऊपर चला जाता है. See? This is also wrong. If you are doing it like this, also wrong. No, you will not do it like this. This is wrong. We'll erase it. अगर ऐसे होता है तो we'll first erase it. ठीक है? And then we'll write once again. How we are going to do that? Straight sleeping line. फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन से नीचे आना है एंड जस्ट मेक अ कर्व. यहीं से यू विल मेक अ कर्व ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. यस, कर्व किस साइड पे बनाना है? ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लाइक दिस. अंडरस्टूड? how you are going to write alphabet J in your notebook? Like this. So this is how you are going to do your work of writing alphabet J. So draw a picture of jug. You can draw a joker or a jar, jam, jelly, anything you want, but the name of that picture should begin from letter J. Clear? So this is how you will do your work. You will write the whole page of alphabet J in your notebook as today's homework. Okay, beta? So class, I hope that today's alphabet is all clear to you. You all have understood the formation and sound of the alphabet. Now, complete your work, share your work with me, and from the next class, we are going to practice writing alphabets A to Z in a sequence way. So we are not going to write all the alphabets together. We'll break it and then we'll practice it. Clear? From A to H, then from I to L. Like this we'll break the alphabets. First we'll practice it that way and later on we'll write it from A to Z altogether. Clear? So for now, first finish today's letter and keep revising your phonic rhyme so that you are thorough with the sounds. Okay? Bye for now. Meet you soon. Take care.